The wait is over. Samsung has finally launched its S9 and S9 Plus. So were the rumours true? Are these phones filled with all sorts of surprises? Well, there's certainly some new stuff here. For a start, Samsung has made something called AR emoji. These are created from the front-facing camera and are designed to create an animated version of you which can be shared easily. Unlike Apple's Animoji, these work on any device that can play an animated GIF. Also new are Samsung's stereo speakers. These use the earpiece and the bottom speaker to produce a new sound that is both stereo and much louder and harder to block with your hands, and altogether better listening experience. Samsung has also added Dolby Atmos, which it claims will give an impressive sound to a modestly sized device. The S9 Plus also has a new dual camera system. A wide angle and telephoto combination allow you to get great wide shots but closer to the action without having to move. Great when you need to keep your distance to capture a special moment. This is a system that's similar to the one that Samsung already uses on the Note 8. Both phones have a new low light system too. The camera uses a new dual aperture mode that's able to switch between f1.5 for low light shots and then use f2.4 when there's a bit more light about. An f1.5 lens means that the phones can gather more light. The more light the lens lets in, the less likely you are to see blur in photos in low light. The camera also takes a sequence of photos in the blink of an eye. It then electronically compares these to reduce noise in the final image. This system can produce incredible results and will be enormously useful for pretty much anyone who takes photos. There's plenty of power under the hood too. 8 core processors in both the S9 and S9 Plus means only good things for playing games and giving the phone plenty of power to last the course of your contract. The S9 offers 4 gigs of RAM and the S9 Plus 6 gigs. The S9 has a 3000 mAh battery, which should be enough to get you through a full day, and the S9 Plus has a shade more at 3500 mAh to help with its larger screen. Both phones charge quickly though, with Samsung's Quick Charge 2, and they both support wireless fast charging as well. Both handsets keep the water resistance we're used to from the S8, which means any little accidents with water will cause no problem at all. So which do you like most? Whichever Samsung phone you want, you can get it at Direct Mobiles.